Well, hello again, everybody. As you can see, we're just about done cleaning up here down below in the rice fields. It was a mess like you wouldn't believe, and that's what happens when you leave it for 6-7 months. And that's so Andoy and I are down here again this morning doing our thing and cleaning and raking and cutting all the jungle, because like I said, it grows across the ground here and it just ties everything together. It's like a big net connecting everything here, so you got to go in with your bolo and really trim, and then I get the rake down here, as you can see, and do that, and then we take the leaf rake and rake up the little stuff, and we're gonna burn it all. Yeah, I'd like to get it in the compost pile, but just not enough good stuff, too many sticks and that in it. And here's one case where it's easier to just burn it and that. And of course, some of the dogs down here again. Whitey there, coming up here. He kind of switches homes. He goes from one place to the other, and that. So right at basically the very little rice field at the end here, before you get to the road, is where we stacked everything. And if I can get down there without falling here, and that yeah, this is the road coming down from up above. A little smoky right now because I'm standing in the smoke here, coming down from the main road, which comes down from our house, and that. And if we look the other way, Juvie lives up here, and that. And so there's our pile down here from just the stuff we collected this morning, and that will burn her. So folks out there, grab a couple of hot dogs and a couple sticks and sit down and have a weenie roast here. I wish. It's a long way from here back up to the house, and it's all uphill. All uphill. You can tell I'm kind of winded walking up there to get the camera and that, and then walking back down here. And like I said, there's Andoy here, and yeah, all the dogs following like usual, and that. And this is this end of the piece of property that Jeff was looking at yesterday, and that they've been clearing for about the last 2.5, 3 months or so, and I guess getting ready to sell it. And that we're still waiting for the word we got last night. They definitely want to sell, but we got no idea on the size. And everybody here, number one, wants to know the square meters, and that because there's 10,000 square meters in a hectare, and 2.4 acres equals a hectare, so that'll kind of give you something to go on here. And that when I bought our property up there, it was 2.5 hectares, about 6 acres. We sold half of it to Tom and that, and we've still got about a hectare and a half, so about 3 acres up at our property there, which is enough to do what we're doing, and with our gardening and with all, oh boy, our mango trees, coconut trees, banana trees, you name it, and that we got going up there. So I'm kind of worn out here. Anyhow, that's kind of par for the course. I change clothes when I'm working. I change clothes sometimes 2-3 times a day, because they just get to us white folks sweat like troopers here. The Filipinos don't, not like we do, and that, and they just it's just part of their nature and their genes and everything else, and that they can handle the sun and the heat and for us, it's a big deal, ain't it there, Socks? Yeah, Socks is right here. He's come up to greet me here. And that, so yeah, I'll let everybody go here again. And that, we're just kind of watching the fire wind down a little bit, so I don't think, generally they don't spread too much because you don't have that much dead stuff. It's always green stuff covering the ground, and for some reason it just doesn't spread. And then there's constant and humidity too for some reason. The fires just don't spread like they do back home, and that, and people, that's the only way to get rid of everything here is to burn it, even though they're, I guess, trying to stop us from doing big burns like this and that, but it's really the only way if you want to keep the jungle cleared around your place to be able to do it. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and we'll be back again soon. Like and subscribe, and wow, thanks for viewing the videos here today. Finally got a chance to upload 3, and not slow, not fast, but they're taking about an hour a piece, and I can't argue with that. I can't argue with that at all. And Beth is back uploading too, so that's good, because she was, for some reason, couldn't upload for a couple days here again. So we'll let you go. Thank you much.